Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I have a special project. Going to be ceramic coating a Allison race boat. Going to be going over it with Gtechniq. Already did the paint correction on this, already compounded, polished it, did a final polish on it, and also did a wipe down on here. Basically got it all prepped, got it all pretty, used all EXQUISITEMAD polishes, compounds, polishes, and also finishing polishes. First thing I'm going to do is just take the lid off. Comes with an applicator pad, okay? And what you're going to do is just take that and you can slip your fingers right through here for control, and then you're going to apply ceramic coating as so onto the pad, okay? In between applications, I know it seems like maybe overkill, but close the bottle back up. Stick it in your pocket. If you're wearing an apron, hopefully that you have something to be able to place it in safely. And then what you're going to do, you're going to apply it like so. Up, down, side to side. Okay? We have 200 milliliters that we're going to be doing this boat with, estimated, and we'll be coating it like so. Doesn't take long for it to flash, but that's a good idea. You can see right where it stopped, right there. Going to continue working down in sections. Let me show you again. Going to reapply to the pad because we're going to be using this ceramic. Don't have to be too sparing with it because we bought enough product that to make sure that we're going to get proper coverage. So always go on a crosshatch pattern. Let it set just a few moments. Reason why you're going in a crosshatch pattern is because you're making sure that you have adequate coverage on the area. Like so. This is a marine coating. This is specially formulated for boats. This is not an automotive coating. Gtechniq has been around for a long time. Their product works good. We like to use it. I know people say that there's better stuff out there. It's all subjective. It's what you find that works for you and your clients. That's what matters. Product takes about 12 hours to cure. Just continue going over this. Like running in a box. Make a square, rectangle. That way you have a controlled area of application. And you can do your crosshatch pattern. Make sure that you're getting it properly applied, like so. I'm going to let it sit just for a moment. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Kind of see before and after. Sit just for a few moments. I'm going to go ahead and buff this off. Using a clean microfiber towel, of course, to apply this. And Gtechniq, being a marine coating, can be applied in direct sunlight. Not the same as an automotive coating. This is a marine coating. Because we do take your time, this is not a rush job. If you're looking at ceramic coating your boat yourself, be prepared to take some time out to do it. It is not a rush job. It doesn't happen quickly. It's not something that you could just rush. If you rush it, well, it's going to look like you rushed it. It's going to look like crap. And you're not going to get adequate coverage. So something to think about when ceramic coating a boat. And you could do it on a small boat like this. This is great for a DIY person out there. Do-it-yourselfer. This is perfect. Now you're probably wondering, what does a ceramic coating do? Well, offers UV protection, okay? And also, it makes cleaning and washing a wee bit easier. And how that does that is that it makes the surface hydrophobic. In other words, it makes the water bead off. So that's what it does. So let me show you here as I continue. I'm going to set that right there. Once again, taking this, and this is just a good video, I think, for y'all to see. No fancy anything. I'm just basically showing you in real life how this is applied and how this goes. So again, I'm going to come down, I'm going to make a square. I'm going to map out my area, and then I'm going to fill it in. Just like so. As we continue moving down, and we apply here to this. Not afraid of using product. If you are afraid of using product, then you should buy more. It's better to have more than not enough. Okay. Now, wait just a moment. Pop that off. This product is very, very forgiving. Very forgiving. Right, so now I'm going to do the same thing here. Now I'm going to do this section from here to here. And if you're wondering, man, you could do a lot more than that. Well, probably could. But again, if you're planning on being busy while applying a ceramic coating, you need to pick a different day to do it where you're not going to be in a rush and where no distractions are going to impede your ability to apply this. Because it takes concentration, and patience. It is not a quick process. Give it just a moment. You'll get that wet look on here with the ceramic. It's pretty awesome. Really makes things shine. Gonna let that on there. And if you're wondering, why am I going over it so many times? Well, I want to make sure that it's bonding to the surface. I want to make sure I'm getting coverage. I want to make sure it goes into the pores a little bit, into that microscopic layer. I want to make sure that it makes a good bond. And otherwise, you're just wasting your time. So give it a few seconds, start seeing it, what's called flash. And what it is basically when it starts looking a little hazy, not drying, a little hazy, that's when you come over with your microfiber towel and buff it off. Okay. And I do hope that y'all are getting something out of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. For new notifications for videos just like this. Crosshatch pattern. We are going to be putting 2 coats on this boat. Bought enough product to do it, so why not? All right, everyone, so wrapped up on this racing boat, this Allison racing boat, and as you can see, turned out absolutely gorgeous, turned out absolutely beautiful. Needless to say, it looks very, very, very exquisite. So just take a look at that. Don't even need to tell you, don't even need to hype it up. This looks gorgeous, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Normally there's a seat that goes in here and sit on the ground over there. But let me show you coming around. Take a look at that. I'll let you see the reflections of this. Look at that. So if you are in need of marine detailing, and you have anything from specialty marine craft and watercraft like this racing boat that you see right here, or anything that's big like a yacht, all the way up to 150 foot, 200 foot yachts, we can handle it for you. We can go ahead and get it detailed out, get it shined up, get the gloss on it, and get it looking right, inside and out. So definitely check us out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. Catch you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.